Good morning, trading community. This is your chart mentor taking some trades early this morning as the market is trying to push through liquidity right at 6 in the morning. I'll show you right here. I just took this entry short after having this long drop that started happening right at 5:30. So because of the volume of shorts coming into the uh, order book, I felt confidence to trade short. Sometimes you might ask yourself, why is he trying to sell into resistance or, buy into resistance or sell into support? And the reason for that is mainly order flow. The one thing you don't get to learn unless you study order flow is the institutional traders, the way they cause breakouts is by pushing through the order flow. I'm sorry, I'm trying to think and looking at something else. The only way they break through the supports and resisting is by pushing with the order flow. So when you see the volume coming in against an area of support for an instrument like NASDAQ that is so impulsive, uh, and you're trading for income, okay? We're not trading for capital growth, although it's nice when we catch good runs that allows us to, grow our accounts. The main objective is try to catch those moves that are happening, that are helping you to grow to generate that income, okay, that daily target. So when you have these type of setups in place, that was the first. And by the way, I just opened it. Obviously, the ideal entry could have been here, a little higher than where I got in. Um, but I saw it when I saw it. It was around here, so I saw the order flow coming in, trying to push the price lower. So I said, let me go ahead and do it. And so now we are in this trade. We're about 250, 260, as you can see right here. It's the first trade I take. There is zero trades until this one. But as I'm looking at this thing, we're going to push through that liquidity pool that it's sitting right there where we're hitting it right now. So you see the BWAC right here, and look how it's pushing through very nicely. I'm already $400, and I'm gonna take this because it's gonna bounce from there. So I'll take this 360. So 360. As you can see, there is mostly buying coming in, which are really the orders from here. The buying limit orders that are sitting here. The sellers were pushing it. You see how it just bounced? That's why I took that profit. And my gut feeling tell me it's going to pull back to BWAG and then keep dropping. I just want to secure again. We're scalping, so I just wanted to secure. When I saw the 400, that was nice. I should have closed it at that point. I know you probably also heard don't trade your P&L, and that is true that you don't trade your P&L when you're growing your capital, and when you're looking to when you're trading an instrument that doesn't have any risk on your capital. The risk is incredibly low if you let those trades go against you for a long period of time. With an instrument like Nasdaq, and I'm not a millionaire. I have a business. I am a business consultant. I also have a job, and I also do a mentoring in chart reading. So I hustle. And with 8 kids, I have to be creative in how I generate my income. So for me, trading is not, uh, I'm not looking to be rich out of it. I'm just looking to generate that income. Like I said, it's it's quick, it's explosive. Nasdaq gives you that opportunity to follow the order flow and generate income. I mean, you've been watching it every day, and today I just took this trade with within less than 10 minutes. See, now it's gonna should be pushing back down now. Let's see. So I'm gonna keep recording in case we get to see more movement, and then I can short, yes, short somewhere here if I see the volume coming in. And in your traditional technical analysis without the order flow, you've been taught to start buying right here. And that's why we lose the money. Because if you start buying here, then you're not paying attention to what the market is telling you, the overall price action and the setup that it's in place with who is in control, at least for the last hour. You will be taking losses on the immediate scalp. Yes, this is a potential buy setup, as we have this formation, but as you can see, the cumulative delta, it's not giving me any indication that all this buying is going to be productive. All this buying you see right here is being absorbed by the sellers because they're not being able to push it higher. And as I'm looking at the intensity of the cumulative delta, I don't see the buyers gaining any ground. So buying right here on an instrument like Nasdaq, uh, it could put your account in serious risk. At least until you don't see one of the rules for entry. You want to go with the direction of the stronger man. Imagine you're watching a match between one buyer and one seller. You see how it's breaking through? And if you're watching that match, you want to be on the side of the stronger one. Look over here. There is no indication of, as of now, of the buyers to be the stronger. So this first touch was rejected by the buyers here, and they gained small control until we got this right here, right? But when you look at the overall movement, if I would draw a Fibonacci retracement, this is probably a quarter of that move, maybe a little higher. And then it came here, pushed, rejected just a little bit, but now they're gaining more ground. So this will break out to the downside. Now, we are going to need a lot of volume to break below the 20, which it could happen, but I'm going to keep my 360 for now. Basically, as you know, I already met my quota for the day. So I can very easily just close my computer. If I have a job or a business and I have to be there, it's 6:23 in the morning and I have to be there at 9, I'm done. So if you're looking to go against inflation, if you're looking to generate a way to supplement your income or create another stream of income, this is it. You know, this is it. It's once you know it, I recommend to study one instrument. I've I started trading in 2007 with Forex. And then I've done everything from Forex to options to stocks, penny stocks, large cap stocks. I mean, and then futures. I've done corn, oil. I do oil every now and then. Natural gas, the S&Ps, wheat. What else? Milk, gasoline, and the one that gives you for income, quick explosive moves that is consistent, meaning that when it moves in that direction. And yes, it bounces and sometimes it feels like it's all over the place, but it's really not. You just gotta have, you just gotta trade your account based on your size, or your size should be based on your account. And so that all the apparent bouncing won't bother you. But again, trading the P&L as a scalper, looking to make my daily budget. Again, this 360, 350 consistently will give you about $100,000 a year. This is a day, and you just do it in a few minutes. So imagine you already have a job with 120, you make $100,000 a year. You can do these in an hour. Um, you'll be adding some nice extra income that I don't see why not. By the way, yesterday, let's see. Yesterday I finished the stream. Look at what's going on here. But I still don't trust this push up. Just give me 1 minute. I want to show you an update from yesterday because yesterday I finished the account with, I think it was minus 70. I forgot. I made 260. If you look at yesterday's stream, um, I made 260, I think, and I was gonna call it for the day. Then I took a trade and gave back that and some, finishing the live trading. Wait a minute. Finishing at around 11 something. Then right at 11:20, the market began to move very nicely. So I want to show you really quick the screenshot from yesterday because I did took those trades and okay, let me see, where is it? All right, let me switch the screen, take it there. All right, so as you can see, I was able to hit my goal yesterday. This was 2.6. You can see my mouth here. And I started the stream right at 9:15, and around 11:24 to 11:40, I was able to bring the account back up. So having a gross profit of all the trades, or revenue, should I say, of $700, and I end up losing 310, which was that one trade. As you can see, I took 7 trades. This is how awesome this strategy is. 7 trade, that gives me an 85% success rate for those of you that like that number. Um, Losing one. So, and as you know, the key with this business is to consistently make more than you lose. You would always have losses, which I call them expenses to run the business. Um, Yesterday, for me to generate $700, it cost me 310. Plus 29.60 in commissions. You do the math, and I end up netting 360. What's my goal? 350. So I did met my goal for the day, and that was right before 12 o'clock. So um, sometimes, is a it's a matter of it's a matter of be patient, because when the market moved the way it did at 11:20 something, uh, I could have waited and made my trade at that point, and then it would have been about $700 instead of 350 with no loss. But at the same time, you never know when it's going to happen. So you have to take the key is to manage those losses where you know more or less what your potential is, and that your losses will remain to be um, less than your wins. Your wins needs to be larger. Anyways, I'm gonna get quiet. Gonna get some coffee. I'm gonna leave this recording open. I might just leave this one as the stream for the day. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, I am going to call it for the day. At least for now. We'll go back live later at 9:15. See if there is any other, if we can catch another opportunity. But as of now, I started trading right at 6:17. So you can see it right over here. Let me see, where am I? Okay, so if you look at the losing trades, you can see we had a total loss of $420, as that was my expense to generate $1,100 in about an hour. So 1,100 minus those 420 in one losing trade, and I did made a mistake, so I take that. Shouldn't have been 420 actually. Uh, if I made a mistake, whatever. It is what it is. I managed my risk, and so I caught that loss, and then I went back again. Uh, just so to summarize what I did, I went to the hourly chart to be able to see better where we were in regards to levels, and so took the last trade, which pushed my profit to 1100. So total for the day, gross is 680 minus 2960 commissions. That gives me a $650 and it's 718. I do have a business consulting meeting in about 10 minutes. I'm already ready for that meeting, so I'm gonna finish this recording now and go with my meeting, and I will come back later, potentially. Depends on how that meeting goes. I will come back later for the live stream. Otherwise, this is my day, and I'm gonna leave the whole stream so you can see my mistakes, so you don't make that mistake. And well, you're gonna make it. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. Don't get a try to pretend those mistakes don't happen. They will happen. So a trader who tells you they don't make mistakes is a liar. But anyways, at the end of the day, what matters is to keep the account green and to meet your goals. So in my case, I exceeded it. I doubled it pretty much from 350 all the way to 650. So that gives me some meat for tomorrow or later to play with. I'm gonna try to keep it and not risk it. And so, but that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this long. If you're still here, see you next time. God bless.